Okay, so for this search, I'm going to pretend I repair AC and heating units in case somebody's AC went out or their heat went out or whatever the season might be here. So let's see here. AC, heating, air conditioning. What else can we put in there? AC repair. Let's maybe think of one more keyword here. New air conditioner. Okay, somebody just needs a new air conditioner and they're looking for that. So let's hit a preview. See if we can find some people that need my help today. So right here, towards the bottom, new customer, done.